Hello, curious explorers on the island of knowledge. Birds are true masters of flying. They can soar, dive, and glide. But did you know there is one tiny bird that has an amazing skill? It can fly backwards. That is the hummingbird, a real acrobat of the sky. I invite everyone to discover how it manages this and why it is so special. At the Meadow of Questions, I met the sloth and the armadillo. The sloth thoughtfully said that hummingbirds do not really fly backwards, but instead can quickly turn their heads all the way around. He believed that this way, they see what is behind them and just fly forward in the other direction, tricking everyone. The armadillo, on the other hand, insisted that hummingbirds have special springs in their tails. He claimed they wind them up and then let go, which shoots them backwards like from a catapult. I explained to them that the secret of hummingbirds is not in a spinning head or a springy tail. Their amazing skill comes from the unique shape of their wings and their incredible flying technique. By the Reef of Mysteries, I met the capuchin and the tiger. The capuchin shared that she once watched a hummingbird drinking nectar from a long trumpet-shaped flower. When it finished, instead of turning around, the little bird gracefully backed out, flying straight backwards so it would not hurt itself or the delicate petals. The tiger added that he once saw two male hummingbirds fighting over territory. He said they performed a real dance in the air, changing direction all the time, hovering, and even moving backwards to avoid being pecked by the other's beak. I agreed with them that these are great examples showing how flying backwards is a very useful skill for hummingbirds, both when getting food and during aerial battles. At the Tower of Views, I met the crocodile and the macaw. I decided to check what they knew and asked them about hummingbird flight. The crocodile explained that, unlike other birds that mostly flap their wings up and down, hummingbirds move their wings forward and backward, making a figure-8 shape. The macaw added that because of this, their wings create lift both when moving forward and backward, which lets them hover and move in any direction, even backwards. I praised them for knowing so much and summed up that this special way of flying, similar to how helicopter blades work, makes hummingbirds true masters of aerial acrobatics. Dear explorers, today we discovered the amazing secret of hummingbirds. We learned that they are the only birds in the world that can fly backwards, all thanks to their special joints and the figure-8 motion of their wings. It is a real wonder of evolution that lets them be quicker and more precise than any other bird. Remember, in nature, even the smallest creatures can have the greatest superpowers. See you on the next adventures on the Island of Knowledge.